Are you looking for the best socket set? In this video we will look at some of the best socket sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Stanley Drive Socket Set. 123 piece. This best socket set is another that was made to work in any conditions, no matter how tough and rough. It is also made in the same light to last a long time. This is brought to light by the fact that the Stanley STMT7165 123 piece socket set is made with chrome vanadium forged body for torque, strength and durability. So, you will probably find a good, strong and sturdy structure in this socket set. No one is attracted to a complicated tool that is too hard to operate and is too difficult to figure out. The easier to use the better. It makes work easier, and on top of that, saves the time that would have been used to find and learn how to operate the tool. This best socket wrench set comes with a quick release switch and reversible mechanism for easy operation. Corrosion and rust can be a nuisance, especially for metallic-based or made materials. Rust weakens metals, gives them a terrible look and reduces its effectiveness in performing tasks. This is the reason the Stanley STMT7165 123 piece socket set is made with a full polished chrome finish that protects against rust and corrosion. The case itself is just okay. Most report no issues, but others say the case doesn't hold some sockets or wrenches during transport, while others mention it holds them a bit too well, making them hard to take out. Key features: has torque, strength and durability, easy to operate, anti-corrosion protection. Number 2, Dewalt Mechanics Tool Set. 192 piece. This impressive 192 piece ratchet set is far more than a pretty set in a box. The smooth 72-tooth gear system allows for high torque ratcheting, while the 5-degree arc swing makes it easier to reach at difficult angles. All sockets and screwdriver bits are laseretched for easy identification, and all sockets are designed for non-slip operation. This is a great high-quality socket set for DIYers and weekend mechanics, and even good enough for pro mechanics. You get a nearly complete set of 6-point sockets, 3 sizes of ratchets, 3 extensions for each ratchet, plus Allen wrenches, making this set more convenient and cost-effective than filler sets. The overall quality is also what you'd expect from Dewalt tools, making this a great gift idea for a loved one, or yourself. You've earned it. One thing to keep in mind is that the entire set has some weight to it, and the case is quite a bit bigger than smaller sets. Unlike the gear wrench case, the Dewalt case is sturdy. The sockets snap right into their labeled spot, and there are 4 latches to keep everything secure during transport. Dewalt, like many large companies, often commission smaller companies to manufacture tools under their name. This is probably the reason why some individuals have seen flaws in the craftsmanship that normally wouldn't get past Dewalt's quality control. A few consumers have also received incomplete sets that had duplicates. Number 3, Dewalt Socket Set. 3/8 inch drive. It is good to have a tool that performs well and achieves its objectives effectively, but if on top of that the tool boasts versatility, then that plus gives it extra points over all others. This socket set is made in such a way that its portability is enabled in a clever and witty manner. The wrench set comes with an inner blow molded case that fits nicely into a large toolbox. What's more, the Dewalt DWMD73804 drive set has a stackable set of cases which allows you to store more with less space and also eases transportation. Sturdiness and durability are also notable strengths of this best socket wrench set, and any buyer with durability and strength in mind can look towards this socket set with favor. It is tough and durable and thus quite dependable when talking in lifespan terms. You do not expect to be disturbed or need constant changing and fixing of any kind. Many sets don't come with a socket wrench, and this is not a good fact since it heaps on the user the extra burden of having to find a wrench. This, aside from requiring a separate and additional amount of knowledge to get the right wrench, presents the possibility of getting something mediocre, which ends up being a waste of not only time but money too. Though, This set comes with a socket wrench, a good one, an excellent one that will deliver at superlative levels. Key features: fits into a large toolbox. Stackable set of cases allowing for easy transport. Slim head design for maneuverability in constricted areas. Number 4. TEKTON 3/8 inch drive socket set. One of the best values around, this TEKTON set carries a complete range of sockets, ranging from 5/16 inches to 3/4 inches in shallow and deep, plus 8 mm to 19 mm shallow and deep. Additionally, this set includes a universal joint, 6-inch extension, and 72-tooth ratchet with 5-degree swing arc. All pieces are made from premium quality CRV steel with a mirror chrome plated finish for a lasting, attractive addition to any tool collection. TEKTON doesn't joke when it says this is no sizes skipped, as evidenced by the presence of a somewhat rare 5.5 mm socket. Consumers claim the case and sockets are all expertly crafted, and the case itself is very clearly marked. They also note that the quality meets or exceeds craftsman while remaining affordable. A few consumers have complained about the etching size, stating that it can be difficult to read. The case has also proven problematic for individuals, sometimes not holding the metric sockets securely. This latter complaint seems to be due to a bad batch, as most owners have not suffered the same problem. What I like: the sockets satisfy the ANSI performance prerequisites. Corrosion resistant, includes several widely used sockets. Solid, beautiful finish. The case is solid but light. What I didn't like: only a thin foam keeps the sockets from tumbling in the case. The size list is a bit confusing. Number 5. Stanley Black Chrome and Laseretched 69-piece socket set. Some things are made to be mediocre, others were just made for excellence. This socket tool falls under the latter group without question. So, it is easy to tell a good product from its standards. The Stanley 92-824 Black Chrome and Laseretched 69-piece set is a 69-piece black chrome and laser-etched socket set that meets if not exceeds ANSI standards for sockets and ratchets. Having reviewed a number of best socket sets, I have made the observation that not many socket set makers take seriously the idea of appearance, design, and physical appeal. For this reason, some socket sets merit higher than others because of the simple fact that on top of performing well they look great. This is one of those socket sets. The black chrome set offers a sharper appearance and better, more presentable look. This set also is corrosion resistant in that you will not be disturbed by issues of pieces chipping off and rust attacks, which will again require replacement and fixing. It also provides a case that makes sure storage of the sockets for the user is an easy and stress-free exercise. This includes movement and transportation too. Key features: high standards. Max drive design gives 15% more torque. Sharper appearance. Convenient tool storage. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.